Hi investors, I am Ramna Shamarthi, the CEO of Group Vacation Planner Portal and app. Last December, I eagerly wanted to take my 2-year daughter and wife on a vacation. I wanted to find a place that would be fun, full of activities for my 2-year-old. I also wanted to find a place that has some golf courses and adventure and sports for me, and that will also keep my wife occupied by having some historical and architectural importance as well as some gardens or botanical roses which will keep her really happy. So I went online, read through so many blog posts and read through the information available, and I was overwhelmed. It was a frustrating experience. I spent hours together to find that vacation destination, and in the end, I zeroed in on a spot and I wasn't even that excited about it. I was stressed. I had to make compromises, and I knew that I couldn't keep everyone happy. That's when I came up with the idea of a group vacation plan. Families of young children already have so many things to take care of, and I thought that planning for a vacation shouldn't be so much stressful. It should be as much fun as a vacation itself. Group Vacation Planner is a web interface UI that would collect information about the travelers. So we'll have dates departing and arriving, the vacation group such as family, and we will have a drop down with various themes to capture the interest of every traveler by age group. So it would be things like sport, adventure, golf courses, resorts, beach, etc. You can also contain information for special occasions like birthdays or anniversaries. And if you already have zeroed in on a city, no problem. You can put the city in and we'll give you a list of tourist spots within that city that will cater to your family's specific interests and your age group profile, and you'll have a wonderful experience. Our value proposition is threefold. One, it is targeted for families based on their unique age profile and preference. It saves time by providing an easy, state-of-the-art UI. And we are the only ones out there who does that in this niche market segment. We'll also enable social networking. Look at the growth of Facebook. We have almost 1 billion users. People want to blog. People want to network online. So we'll allow you to contribute your travel stories and blogs, and we'll also allow you to follow the reviews of similar travelers. So that way you can read through the stories and travel destination stories or pain points of what they enjoyed or what they liked of similar families. That way you'll have a ready-made arsenal of a number of destinations you can visit in future. You will have no dearth of ideas to plan your future vacations. And most importantly, you can make friends and contribute to the society and contribute to other families. And that I think is going to be a great reason for you to keep coming back to the app again and again. The company will be incorporated in Bothell, Washington. It will be run by experienced leaders, all drawn from the high-tech and travel industry with enormous internet experience. Our vision is to make family vacation planning as enjoyable as the actual vacation itself, and thereby encourage people to go places and make memories for life. The app will have 5 main services. One, it will allow you to research vacations based on the unique traveler preferences and age groups and themes that are selected by the customer. Then we'll have a sophisticated algorithm that will go in and give you the best price available out there and show you links to all the sites where you can book that vacation, flight, hotel, or the tourist attractions within that particular destination. The customer will also be able to create an account, so that way we can keep the history, the travel profiles of the family, and that will allow you to blog in your account or follow other users. This will also allow us to send targeted emails and checklists ahead of your vacation and itinerary. So if there is an outbreak of vaccination alert, you've got it. If there are weather related checklists, we'll send you beforehand. If there are flight delays, then we'll send you easy information. You'll also be able to blog your travel stories and read and follow reviews of other families with similar profiles. So all these services are incorporated in our app and we will do it really, really well. Our app operates in the travel agencies in the US category. The industry is growing 2.3% per year. So from 35.3 billion in 2015, is expected to reach almost 39.6 billion by 2020. What are the drivers of this enormous growth? Increasing trips by residents both in US as well as abroad, and the rise of internet. The industry is still in the growth stage. The number of mobile devices and tablets and internet speeds are increasing day by day, and this is propelling the huge growth potential in this industry. The level of concentration is surprisingly low. The top players account for only 17% of the market, and the rest of the market is easily available for niche players, and that is one segment which we are capturing through this market. Our target customer is a typical parent who enjoys taking vacation, who is really concerned about the enjoyment of his children and gives due importance to the travel interests and profiles and preferences of each person in their travel group. There are an estimated 35 million families in the US with children, and our target customer comes from here. Making a dent in this huge target market is going to be enormous. Even a small percentage of sales here will translate into huge revenues and growth potential. Our marketing plan and strategic position is based on our positioning strategy. We want to be the niche leader by catering towards families and travelers visiting places and groups. We will dominate this segment and do it extremely well so our customers are pleased, get the best value, will come back for repeat sales and provide easy referrals in the community. We will be a quality leader by having the best in technology. We will hire the best UI developers so the app is well designed and catered to our family's interests. Our strategy is to gain market penetration by our advertising and promotions. We'll gain a foothold in the market as we introduce this innovative app, and we'll attempt to develop sufficient sales to sustain our initial development. And then we'll target our marketing and advertising spend where there's high traffic of families and use our budget very judiciously to increase sales and gain market share. For example, we can target school related supply stores, toy stores, children's magazines, travel magazines, women's food related magazines. All this where our target customer typically spends time. Our marketing mix, product, group vacation planner, it's all going to be online, so we have no distribution overhead. We are going to price it for free. So it's going to be free for our customers. We'll generate revenue through affiliate income through every booking that is done to the site. Our advertising spend would be minimal, and we are going to use free advertising and referrals and online and technology such as YouTube and videos to increase our sales. We'll also use a direct mail campaign very judiciously in select toy stores or targeting daycare and schools where we can hand them over. Our management plan is listed here. So I am the CEO, Ramesh Amarty. I have extensive experience working at top companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Nintendo. I am very, very confident that drawing my enormous experience in the internet and technology space, I can drive this company to success. Our CFO is Nick Posada. He's held senior finance roles in several companies and almost has a decade of experience in Google and Yahoo. Our strategy and sales and marketing head is Chris Sierra. He's a leader in the travel industry. Most recently, he was a director at Expedia. Our CIO, Rick Warner, his extensive experience in the technology space. Most recently, he launched the Oracle Fusion apps working at Oracle. So with the strong management team, you can be rest assured that we will drive this company to success. Our head office is based in Canyon Park, Bothell, Washington. Having in Washington state provides the advantage of no state tax, and there's also a readily available talent pool drawing from the high-tech industry, which is prevalent here. There will also be an offshore office in Cyber Park, Hyderabad, India. Having an on-site offshore model will reduce the risk and provide for high availability and reliability. Our customer service will be handled by a vendor named 24/7 who is based in Denver, Colorado. The software will all be based on Microsoft technologies, so Microsoft SQL Server, .NET, and web applications. The hardware will all be hosted by our software developers in the cloud using Amazon Web Services. This will allow us for low cost and as well as high reliability and no failover risk. I've listed the major development milestones here at a high level. Will be incorporated in October 15, secure the initial investment and resources by end of the year, and the development of the app and testing is going to take approximately 6 months. We'll launch our app in May 2016 and reach break even in less than a year and keep increasing our revenue year after year. As our app grows, we have an easy opportunity to expand into multiple countries. Initially, we launch in US, test it, learn it, expand, and make our app better. And then it's easy to cater it to other markets worldwide. And we believe that since our app is going to increase the sales of the big travel agencies by sending customer traffic there, by capturing this niche segment and doing it well, we are going to complement the offerings by the big travel agencies, and hence will be an attractive merger or acquisition target. This provides for a very lucrative exit strategy for our investor. Our net present value is 9.1 million based on 5-year sales projected in the United States. As you can see, we are net income negative in the first year, but then we are going to quickly turn positive starting second year. We are going to reach almost 11 million in gross revenue by year 5 and almost 5 million in net income. So to fund our initial working capital and startup costs, our leadership team is going to contribute $100,000. We are seeking an additional 1.5 million to fund the working capital and startup costs for the first year, and in return we are going to provide a 40% stake in the company and a seat at the director's table. So this will result in on 227% return on investment, which I think is a very lucrative opportunity. And considering our growth opportunities worldwide and being a potential acquisition target, it is going to be great. Imagine having this app, and when I was planning the vacation in December, it would have been on my fingertips. I could have easily put in the interests of myself, my wife and my kid, and got a list of destinations and tourist spots. It would have been a seamless experience and so exciting. I could have been done in less than half an hour. And then I could have created an account, read a lot of blogs of similar families, and then planned and packed my trip based on that. I would have got checklists of information readily available as I'm traveling. If there were any weather alerts or flight delay alerts or any vaccination requirements or outbreak alerts, I would have all that information. It would have been so seamless. It would have been a really enjoyable experience. I want you to partake in the success story, which is very much possible through this app. We believe there's enormous potential and sky is the limit, and we truly want to make vacations planning as much fun as a vacation. So join us in this success story, and we are going to make a real difference and return huge dollars to our investors. Thank you.